Today's Japanese word is tazuneru, which you'll often hear when people are talking about visiting someone's home or asking about something specific. The word tazuneru means to visit or to inquire in English. It can be used when you are going to someone's place or when you are asking someone for information. The first kanji means to visit or to call on, carrying the idea of going to someone or someplace. In the word homon, it shows up as the act of visiting, like calling on someone, so the kanji gives the sense of going to see. In the word otozureru, it brings the idea of arriving or visiting a place, again, emphasizing movement toward a person or location. You decided to visit his friend's house. 彼は友達の家を訪ねることにしました。彼は友達の家を訪ねることにしました。I visit a friend. 友達を訪ねる。友達を訪ねる。I ask the teacher. 私は先生に尋ねる。私は先生に尋ねる。I will try to visit the teacher. 先生を訪ねてみる。先生を訪ねてみる。The most common synonyms for the word tazuneru are homon and tsunon. Homon is similar in context of visiting someone, while tsunon aligns more with inquiring or asking questions about something specific. The most common antonym of the word tazuneru is mushi, which means to ignore. While tazuneru involves actively visiting or asking, mushi describes a lack of attention or engagement.